Large language models are all the rage at the moment. All of the kind of big hyperscalers are scaling these language models to be really big. And the way they're doing that, they're increasing the amount of text data that these things are trained on. They're increasing the amount of compute that's used, so the amount of GPUs, and then they're increasing the number of parameters in the model. And when you scale all of these things together, you get amazing kind of emergent behavior that come through, especially when you use few-shot learning, which is when you essentially give the language model in the prompt lots of examples of, say, how you do question answering or reading comprehension or quantitative reasoning. And then it just starts to, without having to fine-tune that language model on a separate task, it can just do it straight off. It's a completely general model that can do hundreds and hundreds of tasks. There's kind of amazing examples of question answering that you can see online. And what we started to do at Speechmatics with large language models is actually automate that NER model that I was talking about earlier, where we assign those severity of errors to each of the problems in the transcript. Because the big problem with NER is usually you need a human in the loop to do that, but that's really expensive, you need to pay someone to do it, take some time. But now we can just use these large language models to do it for us, which is great.